While most new construction homes with multi-generational living in Elk Grove are touching the $1 million mark, there are three hidden gems that I'm going to highlight in today's video that don't necessarily break the bank when it comes to having a second primary bedroom on the ground floor with an attached bathroom. One of these homes is actually only listed at about $750,000, and it is a brand new move-in ready home. If you are looking for the next gen setup without the next gen price tag here in Elk Grove, then this is the video you've been waiting for. I'm going to take you on a tour of these three beautiful homes that have two primary bedrooms with attached bathrooms, one on the ground floor, one on the second floor, and show you these homes in detail and also talk about neighborhoods, pricing, builder incentives, schools, and everything else you would want to know before considering any of these homes as your future home in the city of Elk Grove. Let's get started. The first home that we're going to talk about is going to be by Lennar Homes, and their floor plan is called Residence 2693. This beautiful home is going to be 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,693 square feet on about 5,800 square foot lot. List price about $750,000. Special thing about this house, it has a second downstairs bedroom with an attached bathroom. You have a 2-car garage, and in this almost 2,700 square feet home, you also get a loft on the second floor. As soon as you enter this beautiful home, on the left-hand side is the main feature of this house, which is the downstairs bedroom that has an attached bathroom. This is not be able to find at this price range here in Elk Grove. You will not come across another home that has a secondary bedroom, primary bedroom with an attached bath on the ground floor at this price. $750,000 only, and it's a beautiful floor plan. In addition to the full bathroom that's attached, you have a hallway, half a bathroom, powder room, and right next to it you have the entrance into the 2-car garage. In addition to that, you have a beautiful open floor concept here where you have dining room on the left, and on the right hand side you're welcomed into the big spacious kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, plenty of windows which lets in plenty of sunlight in this open space, and of course you have the family room right in front of the kitchen, again with large glass windows and also large glass door, letting in beautiful sunlight into the house and also giving you that beautiful view into the spacious backyard. In addition to that, we're going to show you everything that this house has to offer on the second floor, which is going to be the tour of the primary main bedroom that's located on the second floor with an attached bathroom, which is of course more spacious than the one that you saw downstairs. And in addition to that, we're going to show you 2 additional bedrooms with the hallway bathroom and the laundry room. First of all, let's talk about the loft. Beautiful, spacious loft here. Plenty of room for furniture, even some gaming area, TV, entertainer's room. The options are endless with this spacious loft. Coming into the primary bedroom of the house located on the second floor, very spacious. Plenty of room to walk around even after putting in a lot of furniture in this bedroom, as you can see in the video. And right next to it we have the attached full bathroom, which has a standing shower, a bathtub, beautiful spacious walk-in closet as well. Again, all of these things are not to be found at the $750 price point. That's why I put this house right up front of the video to show you that, hey, this is the best deal right now for a multi-gen option here in Elk Grove. Right outside of the mini hallway that's there closer to the primary bedroom on the second floor, you have the full bathroom in the hallway. Right next to it, you have your third bedroom of the house. And as soon as we go out of this bedroom, I'm going to show you the laundry room and the fourth bedroom that this house has, making it a total of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,693 square feet. In addition to that, let's talk about incentives. Lennar right now is offering special promo for a 30-year rate lock, which is not going to last very long because they're almost sold out of the community where this home is located. I think they have about 5 homes to go. In addition to that, you can also get your closing cost covered up to 100%. It could be 20%, 50, 100, depending on who you have on your side to represent you with the builder. And lastly, price is also negotiable. Even though it's at $750 right now, it could potentially be $730, $725, but make sure you work with the local realtor who understands the new construction business so they can represent you wholeheartedly with a lot of experience. Let's move on to our second home, which is also going to be by Lennar. This is a much larger home than the one that you saw before. As you can tell, also has a 3-car garage, has a much stronger curb appeal. Of course, the price is going to be a little bit more, although it's not high by that much. This one at about $800,000 even actually. Residence 3141, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, about 3141 square feet, lot size about 6,000. This home has actually a downstairs primary bedroom for a change, and it has a secondary smaller primary bedroom located on the second floor. As soon as you come into this house, on the left-hand side, you have a half a bathroom, which is the powder room. And as you make your way through towards the right-hand side, that's the entrance into the 3-car garage. And on the left-hand side, you have a beautiful, spacious kitchen, walk-in closet, stainless, I should actually say walk-in pantry, beautiful stainless steel appliances, which by the way, are all included with Lennar Homes. You get the dishwasher, the microwave, the oven, the refrigerator, all the kitchen appliances are included. Beautiful covered patio in the backyard. You get that with the previous home as well, by the way. I think I didn't mention that earlier in the video. Beautiful open floor plan as well. But let me show you the unique feature that we have in this house, which is that this house has its main primary bedroom on the ground floor. Plenty of space in this bedroom, even more so than the previous plan. You, of course, have the standing shower, the walk-in closet, you have the bathtub, you have double sink, and you see another walk-in closet right in front of you, and of course, additional flex space towards the right, which also has a door that can take you into the backyard. This is a unique of a plan, like I mentioned, because it has the primary bedroom on the ground floor, the more spacious one, and it also has a secondary primary bedroom with an attached bathroom on the second floor, which we're going to show you in the next few minutes. Coming back into this beautiful open floor plan, similar to the last home, plenty of windows for natural sunlight to flow in. Lennar Homes is known for their everything included approach. So all the flooring, hardwood to carpet to other amenities that you saw in this house are all included in the price of $800,000. Coming to the second floor, this home also features a great loft area as well. Very spacious. A lot of clients convert this loft into a playpen for their kids, maybe home office, even home theater. Speaking of the second primary bedroom, which is on the second floor, this is it. It has a full attached bathroom within the bedroom. In addition to that, we're going to show you the laundry room, and we're going to show you 3 additional bedrooms that are located on the second floor. In addition to that, also the hallway full bathroom, which we are looking at right now. And in addition to that, we're going to show you the 3 bedrooms, one of which is on your screen right now. Since this is the same builder, Lennar, the builder incentives are the same. So do act fast if you want to take advantage of all 3 of these offers. Lennar is almost wrapped up in the Arbor Ranch community where this home is located. I believe they have about 5 homes left of the 3141 plan that you're looking at. So you might want to act accordingly if this is something that you like. Let's talk about something really important before we move on to the third home that I want to show you in this video today. Quick break from the video you're watching today because this is something really important. One mistake I see new construction clients make is not having representation of a local realtor on your side when you're purchasing your brand new home with the local new construction builder here in Elk Grove. Our compensation is directly paid for by the builder because our compensation is part of their sales and marketing process. So if you do not have somebody like us who is a local expert in new construction, who can negotiate on your behalf to make sure you leave no money on the table, then do consider reaching out to us. We would love to accompany you on your visit and make sure you have representation before you sign on that dotted line with the new construction builder, because again, we do not charge you. We get paid for by the builder, but you gain a lot of benefits from somebody who understands the local market extensively. And that is where we come in. My number is going to be in the description of the video. Now let's get back to the video you're watching. Welcome to the third home that I want to cover in this video today. This is going to be by Risewell Homes, Plan 4503, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,215 square feet. So this is the largest home, price around $850,000. Good thing about this house, it is 3,200 square feet and it has a downstairs bedroom with an attached bathroom, 3-car garage, and you also have a loft located on the second floor. Here is the look into the downstairs full primary suite that also has an attached bathroom. This home is definitely going to look a little bit different to you because this home is not a model home. So there's no furniture. There's no sort of fancy staging for this house. And I purposefully did that because I wanted to give you a perspective of what model homes look like and what move-in ready homes look like. So you got a full perspective. Here is the walk-in closet that is also located within the downstairs bedroom that has a private bath. As soon as we come out of the hallway, we're going to show you the half a bathroom, so the powder room that's located on the ground floor. In addition to that, we are of course going to show you the beautiful open floor plan. By far the largest open floor plan you will see within the 3 homes that we are covering in this video today. This builder is Risewell Homes. They're not as big as Lennar Homes because Lennar Homes is a nationwide company, whereas Risewell is in few states, not across the nation, but they consider themselves to be a luxury builder, and that's why their prices are a little bit higher. But you'll see when I talk about builder incentives that even their pricing is negotiable since they are competing with Lennar in the same 95757 zip code of Elk Grove. They are also very competitive on their pricing, on different incentives as well. Risewell does offer larger lots than Lennar, so that's something you'll notice hopefully also in the video, where the older or the other 2 homes that you saw were a little bit smaller in lot size, whereas Risewell tends to have a higher lot size. Looking into the beautiful kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances, beautiful backsplash, cabinetry almost going up to the ceiling. You also have a little butler's area. Some people use it as sort of a coffee special area. And you of course have a walk-in pantry as well. Now we're going to take you upstairs to show you the remaining floor plan that's located on the second floor. All 3 homes that we showed you today are in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove, which is one of the most prominent zip codes of Elk Grove. City is heavily investing in this zip code in terms of brand new infrastructure. You of course have brand new homes by different builders. All the utilities are brand new. All the other infrastructure like parks, schools, even commercial development is all brand new. So city is really making this zip code an urban sort of feel and environment, because this is where a lot of folks outside of the Sacramento area are moving in from. And what I mean by that is that a lot of the folks that we get from the Bay Area, from San Jose all the way up to San Francisco, they all prefer, and I also highly recommend, if you are from those areas, to only consider 95757 to be your future home. not because just city is investing heavily in it, but also because this community has brand new homes, brand new parks, and also amazing schools that are 8, 9, and 10 ranked out of 10. We just, in a way, completed the primary bedroom tour that is located on the second floor. In addition to that, towards the right of it, we're going to show you the remaining 3 other bedrooms with the hallway bathroom and, of course, the laundry room that is located on the second floor. All 3 schools, elementary, middle, and high, are going to be the same for these 3 homes that we showed you today, because they're all, like I said, in the master planned Arbor Ranch community. In 95757, we have Miwok Elementary School. I think it's actually ranked 10 out of 10. We have Elizabeth Pickerton Middle School, ranked 9 out of 10. And we have the high school Consumnes Oaks. I believe they are ranked 10 out of 10. So top rated schools. If that's not enough, you have great builder incentives with Risewell as well. Price is negotiable. This is where we talk about bringing information from Lennar to Risewell to make them more competitive with their pricing. And they also offer a 4.99 30-year special rate lock. They also provide up to 100% closing cost assistance if you negotiate with them hard enough. That's where a local realtor can come in handy. Let's talk about some key takeaways before we wrap up the video. All right, so those 3 were the best opportunities in the market today of multi-generational setup homes that are not necessarily touching that $1 million price tag. If you are in the market today, one of these homes could be a great option for you if you're looking for that multi-generational setup, especially the first home that we saw, which was only listed at about $750,000. Builder incentives, among other things like availability, change often. If you're watching this video today and you are narrowing down to one of these homes, you might want to act fast, because these homes are rare to find and these price tags are even more rare to come across here in Elk Grove. Talk to somebody like us who heavily focuses on new construction homes here in Elk Grove and can tell you real-time information about these builders, availability, and whatnot. And our cost of compensation is already built into these builders' sales and marketing costs. So you will not be paying somebody like me to represent you and also to negotiate on your behalf with these builders here in Elk Grove. So you get the best service, a lot of experience and representation without having to pay for it. I post a lot of content on YouTube for potentially new clients who are looking at Elk Grove. If you have any questions about what you saw in the video today, my number is going to be in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon.